bit dark in here. Maybe that's a good thing. I'm 21, which means I'm above the legal drinking age, both in England, where I live, where the drinking age is 18, and in America, where most of you live, where the drinking age is 21. So I had some alcohol in my Doctor Who cocktails. I based it on a classic screwdriver, which is vodka and orange. But I wanted to do something a bit different, so I used like fizzy orange pop rather than fresh orange juice. And to make it green, I used a little bit of blue alcopop. It was really good. I've got a little bit of a video of me making it and drinking it.
This is how
Okay. Vodka? Because I can't like flick between.
Oh, right. Okay, no.
Bit of fizzy orange juice.
It's not this one.
It's making you like yourself. Oh god, I look horrible.
Yeah, there was a question, and it was what if someone in Wales wanted to give you a kitsch? What would they like? You pick that. Oh my god, it just looks a different shape from the centre. I'm going.
And a bit of blue alcopop. Generic blue alcopop, no particular brand.
Continue, Zoe.
Give it a bit of a shake.
Yeah.
Okay. A kiss.
It makes little sense now.
I suppose the Doctor's new one being green, that makes more sense.
Yep.
So it's not blue. That was the same tenant, wasn't it?
Oh, it's a pretty colour.
Which is obviously why I've waited till now to make this, because it's now green. So
I see.
yeah. Well, I've had this in my hand for ages. Did not just make this up today looking at what I had in the cupboard.
Right.
Drink up.
Oh, well, that's
I
Zoe.
want to take a picture first.
Okay, so this is what's it called, Stacey?
Sonic screwdriver.
Sonic screwdriver. Okay, cheers, Time Lords.
I'm so doing this.
Tastes very nice.
Cheers.
Yes. Cheers.
Ah, not as terrifying
Cheers,
as I
Tracy.
thought it was going to be. Cheers.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yes.
I'm impressed.
And that's how you make a sonic screwdriver. Scrummy. See you next time.